We're seeing that section of the SAT Module 1 that does not give the options of the question. You can check out question 16 video to see how the options are placed. Let's solve. We are presently in question 20, and it says that if a is equal to 5 root 2 and 2a is equal to the square root of 2x, what is the value of x? Now there are different ways of solving this. I'm very sure of that. We know that a is a constant because there's no variable in the expression of a, so we can substitute a into this. That's the method I want to use. Just plain substitution of a into this. Then by the time we solve, because if we substitute a into this, the whole of here will become a constant. It will not be variables there. So we can now find the value of x, because x will be the only variable in the expression. So that is the method I want to use now for this solution to find our value of x. Let's solve. A is equal to the square root of 5 and 2a is equal to the square root of 2x. Now substitute a into this expression. You have 2a is equal to the square root of 2x. That will be 2 times a squared, the 5 root 2. That will be 5 root 2 is equal to the square root of 2x. Now to make it simpler, I want to expand this bracket. 2 times 5, you don't need to multiply 2 times 5 and then 2 times root 2. These are already multiples. It's only if there was addition that you multiply them individually. Since it's a product, you just multiply it once. That will be 2 times 5, that will be 10 root 2 is equal to root 2x. Now, some people can divide it by root 2, but I would rather square both sides or raise both sides to the power of 2. By the time we raise both sides to the power of 2, that will clear our square roots. The 2 terms here would raise to the power of 2. That means 10 square will be 100, and square will cancel square root, so this will be times 2. Is equal to the right hand side, and the right hand side now is equal to the square root all raised to the power of 2, which will cancel each other. That will leave us with 2x. Now we can divide both sides by 2 instead of dividing both sides by square root of 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel from the left hand side and 2 will cancel from the right hand side. That will leave us to 100 is equal to x, which is the same thing as x is equal to 100.
This video was brought because of the need to subscribe. And if you are not subscribed, please can subscribe now. Like the video, share, and subscribe. Stay excited.
Now, how do we represent x equals to 100? You don't just write x equals to 100 in this space provided here. Instead, there are different ways you can do it, but the 2 advisable ways of doing it is to write 100 from the start, or writing 100 from the back. Then some people can choose to either add insignificant zeros in front, stay excited.